remember the last time you moved your body just for the sheer joy of it? Not to count calories or hit a goal, but simply to feel alive, to laugh, and to soak up the moment. That's the energy we're bringing today. Forget treadmills, boring routines, or dragging yourself through workouts you don't enjoy. What if I told you fitness could be exhilarating, fun, and filled with adventure? It's time to take fitness out of the box and turn it into an adventure, where obstacle courses and endurance events make every step exhilarating, every challenge empowering, and every finish line a reason to celebrate. Hi, I'm Lynn, and welcome to Life Reimagined with Lynn. In this episode of Challenging the Ordinary, we're throwing out the old rules of exercise and exploring how fitness can be thrilling, creative, and downright fun. Whether you're scaling walls, crawling under nets, or embarking on an unforgettable journey, fitness can become something so much more. It's about rediscovering joy in the moment and realizing what your body is truly capable of. And here's the best part. It's never too late to dive in and give it a try. So get up off that couch and start walking. Obstacle courses are like adult playgrounds. Imagine climbing walls, swinging from ropes, crawling under nets, and yes, maybe even getting a little muddy. It's messy, challenging, and unbelievably fun. Events like Tough Mudder, Spartan Race, or small local obstacle courses are designed for all levels. So you don't need to be a pro athlete to join in. There are beginner-friendly options. And if an obstacle feels intimidating, you can skip it or modify it. There's no judgment, just cheers all around. One of the most incredible aspects of taking on a challenge like this is how motivating the journey becomes. Every time you practice, every small improvement you make gives you an unmistakable sense of progress. Working towards a goal creates its own momentum, driving you forward each step. And here's the thing, it doesn't matter where you're starting from. Maybe your current activity level is getting off the couch to order dinner, and that's okay. Every journey begins with a single step. And those steps add up in ways that will surprise you. Preparing for the adventure ahead means getting your body and mind ready, and the key is to keep it fun, engaging, and dynamic while building strength, balance, and endurance that you'll need. Mix it up with workouts like push-ups or upper body strength, squats for lower leg power, planks for core stability, or just start walking and do a cardio boost for your stamina. Even small, consistent efforts like walking around the block or stretching for a few minutes each day can start to make a big difference. Not only do these activities prepare you physically, but they also build your confidence as you see yourself growing stronger and more capable. That sense of progress fuels your determination and keeps you focused on the finish line. And then there's the magic of the event day itself. Standing at the starting line, ready and prepared. It's a feeling like no other. In that moment, you'll realize that all your efforts, planning, and every single step you've taken has led you here. Just showing up is an achievement in its own right. Proof of your commitment and dedication. It's a victory before you've even taken your first step. If the idea of tackling this challenge alone feels overwhelming, why not recruit a buddy to join you? Training with a friend brings an extra layer of fun, shared laughter, and mutual encouragement. You'll cheer each other on, celebrate small wins together, and even laugh at those "what were we thinking" moments, especially when you're knee-deep in mud. Together, you'll turn the entire journey into something not only rewarding, but truly unforgettable. Now, let's talk about endurance events. These aren't just about physical stamina, they're about mental strength, determination, and the amazing feeling of crossing a finish line. Whether it's a 5K charity walk, a themed fun run, or even a multi-day hike, endurance events offer something for everyone. They're highly customizable to your goals and interests, making them perfect for any fitness goal. And here's something to keep in mind: fitness adventures don't have to happen in your backyard. Why not pair your goals with a little travel? Imagine walking the Camino in Spain, a multi-day adventure where you'll not only accomplish something extraordinary, but also immerse yourself in new surroundings, experience breathtaking landscapes, and meet the incredible people from all over the world. Combining fitness with travel opens the door to experiences that feed your body, mind, and soul. Whether it's exploring a local trail or trekking in a faraway land, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. What I love most about these fitness adventures is the sense of connection they bring. Whether it's strangers cheering you on, friends training alongside you, or meeting new people on a shared journey, these experiences remind us that fitness isn't just about physical health. It's about community, empowerment, and joy. So, my friends, are you ready to make fitness exhilarating? Whether it's scaling walls, running through woods, or simply walking with purpose towards a goal, there's an adventure out there waiting for you. I hope this episode has inspired you to lace up your shoes, gather your courage, and give it a try. You'll surprise yourself and have a blast doing it. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below sharing what fitness adventures you're excited to try. And check out the links in the description for more inspiration, including my coaching program where I'll help you design a life filled with purpose, joy, and of course, adventure. In our next episode, we're talking about hosting and leading workshops in your passion. If you've ever dreamed of sharing your knowledge and inspiring others, you don't want to miss it. Until then, remember, life isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating it. Let's reimagine your life together.